Hello everyone, this is Dr. Divya and topic for today's discussion is formation of urine. The important function of kidney is to discard the body waste that are either ingested or produced by metabolisms. It also controls the volume and composition of body fluids. And the functional unit of the kidney is nephron, which is responsible for the formation of urine. The nephron has two major portions. One is the glomerulus, which is made up of cluster of capillaries. It is formed by a pair of afferent and afferent arterioles surrounded by Bowman's capsule. And the second thing is renal tubule, which originates as a bulb called Bowman capsule. And the renal tubule is made up of proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle that is ascending as well as both descending limb, distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. The formation of urine involves three major processes. That first one is glomerulus filtration, which takes place in the renal corpuscles, tubular reabsorption, which takes place in renal tubules, and tubular secretion also takes place in the renal tubule. Filtration process. The pressure of the blood within the glomerulus force water and dissolved solutes through the semi-permeable capillary membrane and into the Bowman's space. Approximately 120 ml per minute of the renal plasma is filtered through the glomeruli, forming ultrafiltrate, which is further processed as it travels through the nephron. The ultrafiltrate has the same composition as blood plasma, but it is normally free of protein and also cellular free. Some of the filtered products include water, glucose, electrolytes, amino acid, urea, uric acid, creatinine, and ammonia. And the rate of filtration, that is glomerular filtration rate, is an important indicator of renal function. Second one is tubular reabsorption. As the ultrafiltrate, that is glomerular filtrate, passes through the proximal tubule, a large portion of the water, sodium, chloride, bicarbonate, potassium, calcium, amino acids, glucose, and other substances needed by the body are reabsorbed and pass back into the bloodstream. Like the proximal tubule, the descending limb of the loop of Henle is very permeable to water, but the reabsorption of the solute does not occur in this part of the loop. The ascending limb, however, it is nearly impermeable to water, but there is active reabsorption of sodium chloride. In this section of the tubule and in the remaining tubule, hydrogen ion and ammonia are secreted. Third one is tubular secretion. It involves sending molecules from the blood capillaries into the tubular filtrate for excretion, that is out of the body. The tubular secretion process removes unneeded foreign waste substances that are not filtered by the glomerulus, including various medication and toxins. It promotes secretion of hydrogen ion and other ions to help regulate acid, base, and electrolyte balance. And also various ions which includes secreted including hydrogen ion, ammonium ion, sodium, potassium, bicarbonate ions, uric acid, and some weak acids and base. Hydrogen ion is secreted in the proximal and distal tubules. In tubular secretion, it's caused mainly by active transport. Thus, by the selective reabsorption and secretion action of the renal tubules, the glomerular filtrate modification leads eventually to excretion of urine that has a composition different from that of the glomerular filtrate. What is glomerular filtration rate? It is the amount of renal filtrate formed by the kidneys in 1 minute. An average is 100 to 125 ml per minute. If there is a decreased glomerular filtration rate, leads to the inefficient elimination and accumulation of the body waste product and toxin. If there is an increased glomerular filtrate rate, leads to insufficient time for proper reabsorption. And these are all the sites of reference. Thank you.